Get ready to master short video creation for social media. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating captivating short videos that are perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. Let's start. The first step is recording the source video. This is a relatively simple and straightforward step. Just use the camera of your phone. It is important to have a good camera so your videos will be of a decent quality, but feel free to work with what you have. Check if your device's default camera app has a Pro mode for recording videos, which is a camera mode that allows you to manually adjust recording properties such as white balance, ISO value, shutter speed, and so on. In some devices, this feature is going to be called movie or film mode. If you haven't found it, do not worry. Just use third-party apps like Pixtica, which has a video pro mode natively. Now, film your video. Once the source material is recorded, it is now time to edit it, apply effects, add subtitles, and so on. On a smartphone, your best bet is to use the CapCut application, available both on iOS and Android systems, a great and features-rich tool that is going to serve you well if you plan to continue doing all your short videos on a smartphone full circle. So now let me show you a quick demonstration on what the CapCut is capable of, even its free version, since it has also a premium variant that you can buy through the subscription. But from what I can say, the basic free version has almost all the functions available to you regardless. You'll just won't get as many effects, transitions, and so on, but you'll get some of them anyways. So that's a good starting point, which means that if you'll continue using the CapCut for your smartphone video creation in the future, you might consider buying this subscription anyways. Now let's launch the app. Here I'll create a new project and we'll start with this video here. In the beginning, first of all, let me just quickly show you how many functions you have here. And if I'll select the exact video, you'll have even more. The options here are pretty vast, to be honest with you guys. Now, let me create automatic subtitles, for example. So here, select your video, then find the text prompt or the text option here. Yeah, so here the text option is hidden to the left, so make sure to scroll this bar at the bottom. Now if you would like to create automatic subtitles or captions, tap over here, auto captions, then generate, and simply wait for the app to do its magic. Not only those subtitles will be automatically generated, but they will be also automatically timed, as you can see, in respect to what I'm actually saying and when I'm actually saying that in the video. Now let's quickly go into styles, and change the text color to improve its visibility. I'll just set its color to black, if I can, please. Yep, so here it is. As you can see, all the text became black now. Now another interesting demonstration that I can show you quickly is to select the video, then tap at the overlay. Give me a sec here. Yep, so overlay, add overlay, then add your second video, for example this one here. Now what I can do with this video is remove the background, leave only the HardReset logo in, and you can do that by, well, selecting your respective layer, then go into the BG or background removal, or remove BG to be exact. Now you can either chroma key it, so just select the background color that you would like to remove if your background is static, or in my case it is not really the best option to go for the chroma key, since my background is black and the main color of the logo is also, my background is white, obviously, excuse me, and the main color of the logo is also white. So it will be better if I'll just go with custom removal. Then I'll draw over the object that I would like to remain. It's a rough mask, I will not precisely select it here. And now simply confirm and wait for the tool to do its magic. So once again, I've accidentally canceled it, so let me select the object. And now wait until the custom removal will be applied. So as you can see, the process has been finished successfully. Now I have my background removed and this logo is staying here. You can move it around, place it, whatever, that's up to you. And that's the result that we've gotten through a few minutes of editing. So let's see. Or actually, you know what, before I show you the result, let's also apply a quick transitioning effect for this logo. So once again, we'll select that layer, get back. Very good. So here is the layer. Now go into animations, for example. We'll select in this one and out this one, for example. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, as you can see, these subtitles are not precise, or should I say not perfect, but that's fine. Once again, you can absolutely just edit them. In order to do that, simply find the subtitles editing option. So here, in order to edit your subtitles, you will need to go into text, then select your respective captions, edit captions, and here's your timeline where you can edit them. So, for example, here you can correct those subtitles. Now it is time to share the result and upload your video to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts and enjoy all the views, comments, and likes that will come your way. Thanks for watching.